in, soil on top, a little water, and in 3 months, carrots. I know. I wish they grew faster. Wait a second. That sounds like an Odd-Paw!
In need of help.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set!
This job's for Billy.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet! It's somewhere nearby. Keep your eyes peeled.
Hello.
What? Oh, hey, it's okay, little guy. We're here to help. Half bunny, half dragon. This Odd-Paw is a Bunnygon. Well, aren't you the cutest little bouncing fireball?
Cute isn't the word I'd use.
Sorry about that. My mouth's a little sensitive at the moment.
I can see why. You've got a nasty toothache. How'd you get that?
I think this might have something to do with it.
Whoa! Did you eat this chili pepper?
I thought it was a carrot. Turns out chili plus dragon fire equals super hot tooth-burning volcano breath. Ouch! See?
Yikes! Oh, poor thing. Well, I'm gonna need to take a closer look at that tooth, so,
Ain't nobody touching my tooth.
But I'm a vet! I can help, boy!
No, thank you.
Hello, Bunnygons, Marvin here.
Whoa!
I guess it's down to me then.
Aha!
I got this, guys. Now, you can have this carrot if you come with us to the care clinic to sort out that tooth.
All right, deal. You're lucky I like carrots so much.
Here we are. Soothing cream for teeth of all sizes. Now we're just gonna rub a small bit of cream on your gum here.
It's okay, we got you.
So you're half dragon, huh?
Yep.
Did you know Rox is half dinosaur?
Huh? He is?
I am? I am. I knew that.
He knows what it's like to have big teeth and what it's like when they're super sore. But he also knows that I'm the absolute best at making them well again. Isn't that right, Rox?
Oh, the absolute best.
So what do you say? Can you be a super brave bunny slash dragon?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, open wide. There.
Is that it?
Uh-huh.
It feels better already. Wow. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
So, any chance of that carrot now?
You know what? I've got a better idea. Take these. They're carrot seeds, so now you can grow your own. And these won't give you super hot volcano breath.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Achoo! Think I'm getting a cold.
What a bounce-tacular, boing-orific, lippity-loopity day for jump stops! Oh, fiddle frogs.
Ooh, it's definitely getting colder.
What? Your feet are getting cheesier?
Well, this is not boing-orific. It's Billie the Odd-Paw Vet! Stop! I'm down here!
What was that?
Sorry, when I get the honk sneezes, I really get the honk sneezes.
I'm just gonna scan you with my otoscope. Half elephant, half frog. This Odd-Paw is an Elefrog.
I love your nose. It's even bigger than mine.
Poor thing. You definitely have the sniffles. Well, come down with us to the care clinic and we'll get you feeling all better.
I'll go get the out carrier. Or you could just get in yourself.
An Odd-Paw needs help.
Better get set.
This jump's for Billy.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet! I'm just gonna take your temperature. Open wide. High temperature, red nose, super loud honk sneezes. All of these are the signs of germs.
Cool.
Gross. Nasty things, germs, completely invisible. And it doesn't take much for them to spread.
Spread? How? Just like that.
Right, we've got to act fast before our Elefrog friend turns this place into one giant germ. Rox, Nova, you're my clinic cleanup team. Take this and spray it on all the surfaces. It'll get rid of those nasty germs.
You got it. Let's make it a game. Whoever gets the most germs wins. Ooh, or first to use up their spray. Or hide and seek. Ah, I love hide and seek.
Now those super strong honk sneezes are gonna need some super strong medicine.
What's that?
It's a nasal spray. It goes up your nose.
Up my nose?
Up her nose? Oh, be brave, Elefrog.
I'm not so sure about that, Billy.
Don't worry, it's totally safe. Just relax and...
Jump! That's what you were gonna say, right? Okay, if that's what you want.
Jumping? No, Elefrog! Come back! What? Oh, okay. I know it's a bit scary to do something you've never done before, but it won't hurt. Watch.
That doesn't look so bad. All right, let's do this.
3, 2, 1, and... There. That wasn't so bad, was it?
Not at all. It was kind of tickly.
And we're all done cleaning over here.
Thank you so much, Billy. I feel boing-orific again.
So, all is well, and no one had to put anything up Rox's nose. Uh-oh.
Come on, Rox. You can do this.
Oh, no.
We've saved
every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie the Odd-Paw Vet!
Huh? Oh, a mud bob. I can't say no to a mud bob. But wait, I just got my fur the way I like it. But it's mud. No, I can't. Okay. Maybe I'll just dip a trotter in. Whoa! I regret nothing. I regret everything.
Ugh! Whoever invented mud is a very naughty so-and-so. It just doesn't go in a civilized forest. I better check that out. Is everything okay over here? Ah! Swamp monster! It's okay. Melinda is in control. Maybe not. Billie, do you copy?
I can't believe I let you do this.
Team, I just got a super strange message from Melinda saying she saw a swamp monster. Sounds more like an Odd-Paw to me. Anyway, she needs our help.
All right, I'm pretty much done here.
Now I look like a swamp monster.
An Odd-Paw needs help.
Better get set.
This job's for Billie!
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet!
Are you okay there?
Stay back, miss. I've got a sponge and I'm not afraid to use it. Billie, thank goodness you're here.
Hi, Melinda. Where is this swamp monster?
It's over there!
You don't sound like a monster. I'm just gonna scan you with my otoscope. Half pig, half poodle. This Odd-Paw is a Pigoodle.
Oh, well, easy mistake to make. No harm done, eh?
That's a mighty big bump on your head.
It's fine. It just makes me a little dizzy. Ooh.
Whoa, I better take a look at that at the clinic. Rox, help me get Melinda into the odd buggy.
Leave it up to the dino pup.
Pigoodle, fancy a cleanup?
Clean? Why, absolutely not! My mud! But no, I like clean.
Nova, fetch an odd carrier for our Pigoodle pal.
Clean! Muddy! Clean! This way! And whatever you do, don't shake your fur.
Now, I normally don't treat humans, but I've got some ointment I think should do the trick.
As long as it's not mud, I don't care.
I guess that means we're on fur cleaning duty. We really drew the short straw.
Speak for yourself.
Not my precious mud. Wait, yes, get rid of it. No, yes, no, yes. Ow! Careful, rocks.
Aha! Aloe vera cream. This should be very soothing.
Well, it certainly sounds like mud. Ooh, that is soothing. Smells good, too.
Told ya. Oh,
Sorry, there's just so much mud.
a Pigoodle's fur can actually hold the most mud of any Odd-Paw. Enough for all of us combined.
Not all of us. This is what I was born to do. Hi-ya! Ha-ha.
My fur, it's so clean. Hooray!
Melinda, that was incredible.
And it's the least I could do after you made my head feel so much better.
I hope you don't miss your mud too much. Huh? Pigoodle? Cannonball! Sorry.
Couldn't resist.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie the Odd-Paw Vet! Nope, nothing up there. Oh, my stomach is so empty. I'm so hungry. I wish I had a honey. Jackpot! Wow! Ha-ha!
Whoa! A Barrot! Half bear, half parrot, and half beehive? You need some help there.
Oh, so sorry about that. I didn't mean to sting you. Although, I am going to have to ask you for that hive back. It is our house, you know.
Don't worry, we're on it. Billie, do you copy?
We've got an Odd-Paw in need of help. Read you loud and clear, Nova. What's wrong?
We've got a Barrot with a bee sting and a beehive on his head.
Yikes. All right, Nova, we're on our way. An Odd-Paw needs help.
Better get set.
This jump's for Billie!
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet! Otisco, half bear, half parrot. This Odd-Paw is our friend Barrot. Don't worry, buddy. We're gonna get you out of that beehive in no time. Yeah, whatever you said.
This way. Nope. And now in you go. Into the ambulance.
Please bring it back in one piece. The other bees will be very upset if their house gets damaged.
Don't worry, we'll be back soon. Okay, let's bring in our Odd-Paw patient.
I did not sign up for a workout.
Right. First things first, we need a little smidge of ointment for that bee sting.
Ooh, I'm on it.
She said a smidge rocks.
There. Feeling better?
Much better.
And now the trickier part, getting that beehive off your head. Yep, that's wedged on pretty tight. We're gonna have to be super careful so we don't damage the hive. It's no good. The honey is too sticky.
And too delicious.
Rocks, you're drooling everywhere. Like always.
Wait, that's it. We need to make him drool. Then the beehive will slide right off. You know, with this honey, we can make some delicious flapjacks.
And some honey-glazed carrots.
Honey-glazed carrots?
And a big honeycomb banana split sundae.
Banana split sundae? Ooh, and spaghetti with honey.
It's working! It's working! I'm gonna pull off the slobbery beehive now. We did it!
I'm free! Now, where are those honey-glazed carrots?
Here you go, Queen Bee. Good as new. And
without a Barrot hanging off it.
Wonderful! The other bees will be so pleased. And this is for you, your very own jar of honey, for the next time you're feeling a little peckish.
Peckish? Thanks, your royal queenness. And sorry for all the trouble. And thank you guys. You make me feel all better.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Guys, a little help. Nova!
Team, I just got a call from Mama Durtle and... What's all this? Did you scare him again, Nova? We've talked about this, but it's fun! Fine. Sorry, Rocks.
Uh-oh.
I said I was sorry, Rocks. I just cleaned my fur.
That was an accident, I promise.
Come on, we've got to do this quickly. Mama Durtle needs our help. Sorry, Nova, but we're gonna have to get you cleaned up first. Not water!
Did I mention that I was sorry? Maybe she didn't hear me?
Oh my, those are strange noises. You don't look so good, my whittle dirtle wordle.
Mama Turtle.
Oh, my poor baby. Stay here. I'm going to get you some help. I'll be right back.
Don't worry, buddy. She won't stay mad at you forever.
It already feels like forever. The bush is alive!
It's okay, Rocks. Look, otoscope. Oh, cute little webbed feet, bumpy green shell, adorable orange beak, half duck, half turtle. It's our Odd-Paw friend Durtle.
Hello, Mama Durtle. We got here as quickly as we could.
Thank goodness. Follow me. My baby is really sick.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billie!
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. Everything looks okay with your baby, Mama Durtle. Lovely shell, orange adorable beak, front legs 100% cute. Oh, and look at those beautiful eyes. That doesn't sound good. Let's get your baby back to the care clinic and run some more tests. Don't worry, little Durtle. We'll have you feeling better in no time.
I've got the up carrier, Billie.
Okay, little cutie, let's have a look.
Is she okay, Billie? Can you see what's wrong? The scanner won't hurt her, will it?
The scanner is made for Odd-Paws. It's perfectly safe. Ooh, wow. Look at all that gas in her tummy. And it looks like she might have eaten some bread.
Bread? I have never given her bread. Bread can make Durtles very sick.
It's okay. Sometimes baby Durtles eat things they shouldn't. It happens. It's just an accident.
Just an accident?
Some leg movements should help with your trapped wind. See? That's better. Open wide. Now, this medicine will make your tummy feel better, but it also might make you need to use the potty. The Durtle potty's that way.
Oh, come on, I'll take you.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Hey, Rux. I know you didn't mean to squirt that cream on me earlier. I forgive you.
You do? Ah! Too far? I see that now.